Good morning, friends. Welcome to the Future Point. Future Point comes with a new video. Here we will discuss something about the basic features of MS Excel. As in my previous video, we discussed some basic formula, how to calculate total, as we made the records of student Marksheet, and we checked how to calculate total, how to check status and result, pass or fail, percentage and division. And some of my students, they were asking to repeat this division, how to calculate that. So let us to repeat. Here we will again start with equal to sign, if criteria. Okay, and there are two options how we need to define the formula. Either use directly type here, it will show here in the address bar. So what I will do, I will go to this function, more function, and we will choose here the most recently used if function. Okay, so now we have to check the if student is getting more than 90% marks, that means he should be given outstanding performance. Okay, so we have to check this row, that means column number M and data, the row number 8. So here let's check if M column and row number 8, if this candidate Chandrabhushan, it is mentioned here as student name is Chandrabhushan and his total percentage is 91.57%. so we have to check if this candidate is getting greater than and equal to marks, that means greater than equal to marks, that means he should be outstanding. Okay, outstanding. Like, okay, again we will click here, but I'm not going to click on OK. Simply we will take another criteria, because we have to check the another condition. If the same candidate is getting 70% marks, so let's say before it was 90, so just imagine that if the same candidate is getting 70% mark, then what will happen? So we define a criteria here, equal to sign and 70, that means excellent. We will display excellent. Okay, now we have to check the third criteria. So again I will not click on OK, I will go to this section and click OK. Simply the new blank sheet, blank function is coming. So again we will click here the 90% where it is mentioned. Just imagine if candidate is getting 60% marks, then what will happen? So again we will mention a criteria here, that if student is getting 60%, that means he should be good, alright, or else fair. Right, now close. You see here it is showing outstanding. Let's drag it. Okay, so the student, he is only getting we define criteria here that if it is above 90%, that means outstanding, greater than and equal to 70%, that means excellent, and below 70% it is good, and below 60% it is fair. So here he is getting only 53%, that means fair. He is getting more than 60% and less than 70%, that means good. This candidate is getting above 70%, that means he is excellent, and he is getting more than 90%, that means he is getting outstanding. Okay, let's use some other criterias, some other formulas. Okay, so what we will do, delete all this section. Let us to discuss once more. Select no field, okay, and no border. Yeah, so now we have this data here. We have list of students along with their marks and percentage, and along with the division and grade, you can say. So what we can do is, now I want to filter it. So normal filter option is simply we have to select this, the heading, okay, is go to the data tab. There is something called filter. This symbol you have to go for this. Let's say again, this is home tab. We have to go there in data tab, click filter. Okay, you see all these boxes opened here. Now I want to display the name of students whose name starts with A only. So what I will deselect all and select here only the A options. Click here. You see now it is shortlisted, data sorted here, and we are getting only the list of students whose name starts with character A. Same way, let's select all, and now we can check here the students, every student who is getting more than 85 marks in English. I want to display them only. Simply I will go deselect all and only select 85. So we are getting the details of all the students who got 85 marks in their English subject. Okay, so this will be changed as per the selection. Select again. Okay, we can, the another option is just close this. Okay, now we have another option, that how we can sort data based on the alphabetical order. So now we have many students with different names, and I want alphabetical names to display in my worksheet. So simply I will go, you see here that there is A to Z in arrow and Z to A. So click here, sort data, and now it will ask how do you want to sort, by name, student ID, or subjects. So let's say name, you want to A to J here, in which order, so that is A to Z, that means Z. Simply click here, you see start with A, B, C, and now the same data I want to sort in descending order. Descending and order means the Z to A. So simply I go to here and selected here Z to A, name, and okay, you see first start with Y, Yash Kumar, then Sujata, then Rohit, then Nityanand, then Monica, and so on. So this is all about the video, and I believe that you like this video. If you have any questions and query, you can write at the comment box, and please keep watching my videos, and if you like, please click like button and subscribe. And for more information, you can go to my website www.thefuturepoint.info. Thank you so much for your cooperation and patience. Thank you.